Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about first derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of b multiplied by f of b minus we do first derivative of a multiplied by f of 8. So in this situation, we have like this. So first derivative of s, we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So now we simplify and we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.